Good morning class. I'm Govind Vyas from Cambridge Convent School, Bikaner. Students, as you know, this is our last lecture for today regarding exercise chapter 17. Okay, exercise 17.7 is the final exercise. Okay, fine. In this exercise, we are going to find the questions related to answers related to mode. Okay, we will find the mode in these questions. So there are three varieties of questions. I will solve every variety of question for you. The similar kinds of question related to them you will solve yourself. Okay, so the first question is, it is saying find mode and we are given some random numbers. Some random numbers are there. What are those numbers? 2, 5, 7, 5, 3, 1, 5, 8, 7, 5. These are some numbers. Now firstly, we must know what is mode. Mode is the most frequent number, or I say the number which comes maximum times. The number which comes maximum times, or we can also say the most frequent number, is known as mode. Okay, so in this question, in the first part of the first question, which number is coming for the maximum times? 5. 5 is coming again and again more times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is here 4 times. So 5 is the most frequent number. So this is the mode. Mode is 5. This is the answer. That's it. Quite easy question, doesn't it? Okay. Isn't it? Okay. Next. Question number 2. X is given, F is given. Now this question is in tabular form, easy tabular form. Okay, so how will we find mode of this question? Very easy. Check which which F is greater, which frequency is greater. 6, this is greater. So the what is just before this? 5. The greatest F is 6 and X of that is 5. So 5 is the answer. In the simple tabular question, how do we find mode? Check the maximum value of frequency or the maximum value of F. The maximum value is 6. Okay, and what is just opposite to 6? 5. 5 is the answer. Okay, so these are the very easy questions. So there are so many questions related to them up to question number 5. So you will use yourself will solve them. I am going to solve question number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 7, 8, 9. The remaining questions you will solve at your own. Okay, so I am solving question number 6. Fine. Again, it is a tabular question, but how is it differ from the question number 2? Because in question number 2 only simple numbers were given, but in this table range is given 10 to 15, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. A range is given, a interval is given to you. So like median, intervals were also there in 17.5. so we in 17.6. we solved the question with a particular formula. Similarly, interval is also here, a range is given also here. So to calculating mode, there will be a different formula. What is the formula of the mode? Just learn this. The formula for the mode is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 multiply H. That's it. This is the formula. Now what we are supposed to do? Put the values of all the variables and then calculation is remaining. So firstly, L, F1, F0, F2, H. Fine. How will we solve this? See, again this is frequency F. Which frequency is maximum? Which is the greatest frequency? 16. This, okay, highlight this. Highlight this. Okay, now what? Now we will find these values. Okay. Firstly, L. What is L? In this slab, the first number, like we did in median. Remember, in the median, how did we find the L? How did we choose the L? Similarly, in this highlighted slab, the first number, 20. This is L. Fine. Next, F1. What is F1? This is frequency. This is F slab. This is F1. F0, 0 is lesser than 1. So this is F1 just before this. This is F0, 7. Then F2, F0, F1, this is F2. Okay, F0, F1, F2. F2 is 12. Now H, what is H? Come here. What is the gap between them? 20 to 25. What is the difference between them? Difference of 5 is there. 20 to 25. There is a gap of 5. So 5 is here. So these are the all values, the way we will find them. Okay. Now very easy step. Put the values in the formula and then calculation part is remaining. So we are solving it here. Firstly, L. L is 20. 20 plus F1. F1 is 16 minus F0. F0 is 7. Then 2 into F1. 2 into F1 was 16 minus F0. 7 minus F2. 12 multiply H. 5. Calculate it. 20 plus 16 minus 7 is 9. Okay, 2 into 16, 32, minus 7 minus 12, multiply 5. Fine. Now next I will do it here. 20 plus 9 upon minus this 32 minus 12, 20, 20 minus 7, 13, it will come 13, multiply 5. Okay, now 20 plus 9 into 5, 45 upon 13. You can also solve this by using the LCM, or you can directly solve this by division. How? I am solving it by division. 20 plus 45 divided by 13. When you divide 45 by 13, then yes, 3. Then 46. 3.46. When you divide 45 by 13, it will be 3.46. What about 20 plus 3.46? 23.46. It will come. Okay. So this is your mode. This is the way you will find the remaining next successive questions. Okay. So it was question number 6. We solved it, and this is our mode. So the remaining question, the similar questions, you yourself will solve that. If any problem comes, you can contact our school. Like this channel, share and subscribe. Thank you.